Right, step one, you need to remove the metal brackets on the end of the roll. It's at both ends. So take your time and take them out. So what you need to do to take the ends off is you need to cut through till you get through to the metal. So you need to use the Stanley knife, cut a V, come across, and you need to remove this wedge with a screwdriver. You need to keep cutting down. I think I'm starting to feel metal now. Okay, when you get down to there, still may need to loosen some of it. There we go, that's how you get it off. Okay, when you go to put the laminating in the bottom level, you have it so as the roll is facing up like this. Okay, not the other way around. Have it so as it's out this side. And we put these metal rods through it so as it sits on them. So when you've got the laminating on the poles, just put these little locks in the end to hold it into place. And now it's ready to lift into place. Okay, the first thing we need to do is we need to thread the laminating sheet over the top of the metal pole at the back. Let me get that tweezer. Okay, and we pull it through, we pull enough out. Okay, then on the left hand side there's a lock underneath this white plate. If Tazo moves it, we lift it out, we can now see behind. We then take the laminating sheet that we've rolled and we slide it through this way. When you've threaded the laminating sheet, put the right hand side in first, then the left. It's now in place and we've got this sheet here to work with. Now the power is actually on and we're going to thread both bottom and top sheet through the middle. You might have to play with this to adjust it. We might even go bottom sheet first. Okay. You then return the top plate and lock it back into place. Using the speed control, we can start to move the bottom sheet through to the back, but we also need to use this sheet. So we stop and now we feed the top sheet as best we can over and into place, and again we use the speed button and it sucks the whole lot through. There's some marks across it. We put some more through, stop it, and now it's all about moving the top roll and the bottom roll to get out any creases as best you can. Make sure the heat is on 120, let it heat up, and use these two rolls, pulling tension on both of them to the point where it starts just going through and laminating without crinkles.